So hello there, and welcome back to another video of mine. Actually, I have a lot of new subscribers and I don't know where they came from, so I'm really happy that they came. But this is something new to another project I've been doing. You can see some stuff here. I don't want to work on this right now because this is just complex and it's a comparator. So you know, like this thing and the one function it has, this one, so the one without the lamp in front, I'm rebuilding that right here. Not quite, we're doing that with binary numbers, not with hexadecimal numbers. And we get two outputs actually, but it's still, it's huge. And this block is really complex. So, yeah. But what I want to show you today is a screen. And actually 7-segment display that is movable forwards. I don't know if the sideways, I won't do anything sideways because that would just be even more insane. I don't want to do that, so just doing this like this. And it's good nonetheless. And we have a lot of stuff here that is on the push limit. Most of this is actually at the push limit, because the push limit is really very good. It always kind of does what I want. It's always at 12. It's always at the bare minimum. It's really cool. Okay, so what do we have here? We have a second segment display right here with blocks here, and we can even have something like, wait a second. We can even have something like this, because there aren't any slime blocks there. It's incredible. We just use a hell lot of these place Decoder for stuff where slime blocks could be. Here aren't any slime blocks actually, up until over there. Then there are a lot of slime blocks around these central thingies. You can see them going all the way to the back here. Okay, but what is this actually? We have the display in the front with the observer clocks where you push this in and it will clock and power all of these lamps here. It's cool when you deactivate it. Sometimes you can update it in the right moment and it will just turn off there. And when we turn it off, it will also turn off, and we can do that from the back. I don't know which was the top one. I think this is the top one. Yeah, this has to be the top one. And then we can, for example, write a 7. I think a 7 is this. Yeah, there's a 7. So we can write a 7 on this 7-segment display. And this is entirely movable, as you can see when I get a cactus on me. Can pull it from here or push it from the other side, but pushing is a little bit difficult from here. Let's see that in action. It is actually happening pretty fast, so bear with me. First the display and then all of the wires in the back. A lot of stuff happening, but everything got moved. Let's watch it from this side. You can pause the video and go back if you want to see this again. It's just a 1-block move, but still pretty cool. This is all still for our noise project that I've talked about in a rather recent video, like 1 month ago or so, with the final goal of slimestoning. But you can also get some output of the machine that the user that wants to kind of see, debug the machine and whatnot. We can just use these displays here. They are amazing, and we can use them quite good actually in a lot of ways. So, well, actually not really in a lot of ways, but okay. Yeah, there's not much more to show other than that I also have this project here. It's a comparator. You know, those things in the normal mode where they are compared to numbers. This one here. You have 2 inputs and whatnot. This is kind of that, but you compare binary numbers, and you have like in an adder, a carry here that will go into the next machine. As you can see here, it should be cloned in that direction. And you have 2 outputs, one signifying that one number is bigger than the other. So when one is on, then this one is smaller, this number is smaller than this one. Okay. That should only be about this thing. It's huge, I know. Compared to its actual size, it's 3 blocks bigger. So the next segment you can have, this would be the next 3, 4. So the next segment you can have would be right here, and that's quite far away. But it's all right. It's it's all right. Actually, no. The next segment would be here. Sorry, because we of course need an air gap in between, otherwise it wouldn't function. Okay, but I still hope that maybe this is incredible for you and you have never seen it. But this is actually, I have never seen a movable 7-segment display with this kind of thing. If you have seen one, please send it to me. If it's bigger, of course you can always send it to me, but I won't use it because it's bigger and I want it to be smaller. If it's longer, it's not really a problem. If it's longer but shorter on this side, it's really not a problem. But if it's like bigger, a lot bigger, it's not really useful for me here. It should be movable in that direction. I just love how this thing moves. Let's tick rate 5 maybe. You can see this moving. More stuff happening here. This gets activated and the entire back part has been moved. And again for the back. Yeah. More stuff happening. That's really cool. And normal speed is actually also so fast. And we have to put these there later because actually we wouldn't even have needed that many. Actually we do. Oh, I'm so dumb. I'm really dumb. Okay, let's do it 2 more times. Rooms and rooms. It's still working out perfectly, and we can again make a 7 show up, and then we have our 7. Great. Okay, then I say thanks for watching, and yeah, I don't know if I already said it, but X6 Atelier, no, only Atelier helped me with the front design right here. I did the wiring in the back because it's kind of weird. But yeah, thanks for watching, and to the next episode of something, I guess.